Hello there YouTube. Today is April 21st. I'm on the Goldwing today. This is the road I have trouble on the Spider because it's crowned in the middle and then there's grooves where all the tires go, but the Goldwing, no problem. But the Spider just darts me all over just because I get in the groove and it shoots me around the lane. Just because I think the two wheels in the front are narrow and they can't find its perfect spot on this where the cars go because it's crowned. But the Goldwing has no issues at all. So that's what's tough. For me, it's tough with the Spider. I mean, it's a 2020 RTL, but it doesn't like these crowned roads where there's a crown in the middle and then a dip on both sides. You gotta hang on because it just goes doot, 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 doot. But I still like riding both, but just this road is bad for it, just because of the crown. Any kind of road that's crowned, that, you know, old roads that have tire marks and then a crown in the middle are bad on a Spider. What a beautiful day though. Let's see what the temperature is. 75. This one's more accurate. Let me see what this says. No, I can't read it with the 75. Spider's way off. Like 4 or 5 degrees off. I hate to pull on front of these cars because they go a little too fast. Now this road's smooth on both the Spider and this. It's not crowned yet. It's new. It's pretty new asphalt. So I noticed that my mount, it was loose, and I rode the Spider the other day. It's a little crooked, so hopefully it's straight on this one now. I tried to straighten up and tighten up the little bolts. It should be better. What a beautiful day. I got the day off, so kiddos or other grandparents are here, so they're watching them, and my son's off, so